Anti-Venom. Let's go. I'm on the landscape page. Use pencil and eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So, this is like from a 3D model of him I found online. So it's pretty cool. He's kind of like looking to the left. 3/4 pose, right? So, where to begin? It's like I guess the shape for his head, maybe. Okay, so we'll go. I'm sure. Where do I start? Right. So he's got like these frowning eyes, right? So you got like these spikes and stuff. So we'll go around here first. Right, so this is like a frown, like a tick goes off this way, right? And then there's all these spikes. Top of his head. Right, and then the spikes keep going. So this is like all the black spikes, right? And the frown sort of on the other side of his head is here. And this is all black spiky stuff. Symbiote stuff all going back this way, right? Comes back in, around towards the teeth, and then across the teeth, the top of the teeth here. Like that. We got an eye in here. There's a curved line, like a cheek line or something. There, and then another eye. In here, real small sort of eyes. Right, and like along under here, we have like all these spiky teeth, right? So they like join his face, so it's all like one thing. So like spiky teeth here. Kind of like icicles kind of sticking down. Like this. All the way across. To here, and one more maybe like here. And you can make these a little bit 3D by adding extra sort of texture lines on them and joining them up to like the wrinkles on his face. Right, so he's real gnarly looking. So, like the side of his jaw then. So we've got side of his jaw, say here, comes out, just out real far. And then it comes, bumps down, right? So like all the way down to there. And the back of his head will come out from his forehead over here. So it goes like so, down, close to his jaw. This is like his big neck muscle. Down like that. So the chin then comes out around here and up. And we've got like all these teeth again. Like here. Coming up this way. Coming up the side of his jaw. So all like joining his face and stuff all here. Right, so we go big ones, little ones. There's like a black and white separation here. So this is like white skin and black skin and stuff. So this is white and in here is black, right? So you gotta like draw that in to separate the parts. Okay, and then like a few more teeth here. And the side of his mouth runs up this way. Okay, so then that big tongue, right, comes out here. So it goes like, right? So real big, crazy, right? And then like the bumps for it, like to make it look sort of 3D tongue. So there. And then the bottom of it goes like out from here, up underneath. It's like the side here. Do do do. Like another line going down this way. Some hatching maybe on the side of it. And it comes around here. Underneath. Alright, kind of like that. Of course, there can be all drool, but we'll just get our details in first. So like the side of his mouth then on this side, we can just see it behind the tongue. So it goes down here. And like his jaw, there's like another tooth here. And then his like jaw goes here. Another spike here. And then like another couple of teeth on the inside of his mouth here. Like so, and then this curves down. Lots of sort of details and texture all in here underneath the tongue. Like the back of his mouth, this is all skin. The back of his mouth will just be like dark back here. It's all flesh, and then all dark back there. Right, so, sorry, that was probably loud. So the other side of his neck, just here, right? It's down like so, real big wide neck, right? It goes up, joins his jaw up there. And then his trapezius kind of goes down this way. Right, and then another sort of neckline in here. Another neckline here. And then his Adam's apple kind of thing here. And this could be all textured and wrinkly. And you can even put a vein. And then his trapezius, real big on this side, real muscly now. Crazy big. So we're kind of in 3/4, so this one's bigger than this side, right? So see the way this one's small? It's because his body's sort of turned. He's in what we call a dynamic sort of pose. So he's not just looking straight forward. Okay. So then shoulder out, real big, round, shoulder on this side. Smaller, but still round. There. And then his center line for his chest is here. And then his collarbones go out this way towards the shoulder, but we'll do them kind of bumpy. Like that, okay. And then this one. You've got like trapezius, or not trapezius, deltoid muscles, shoulder muscles here. And then veins and things coming across. Like so. And so then he's got that black spider lines coming down his chest here. There, and then it goes behind here. This goes down like so. Maybe like some texture there. And then this goes down behind his neck. And then comes down beside his shoulder. And again, veins and stuff. Like texture lines coming across his muscles. This goes in here, dark. And then like maybe some drool coming down from the tongue. So like if you go over anything here, you can of course maybe some from his teeth. Just from the tongue there. Right, but that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Anti-Venom. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.